Yes, I know I'm making a video about a subreddit. I can feel my integrity slowly fading away. But at least it's a fun one. Because today we'll be checking out r/hardwaregore, because if we have to do a Reddit video to stay relevant in the space, then I may as well do one on a relevant subreddit. And this one looks pretty interesting. I took like a tiny look at it, but let's just go into it, shall we? And already I have to question a lot about this subreddit. What is even going on? Hold on. Okay, I need to. So this is clearly a phone. It's bad I can't even figure out where's the front. This is the front, it looks like, but the screen is gone and it's replaced with something from Aorus, a sticker that looks like it has a command go on it, some paper with some scribbles on it. Why? And there's some Tic Tacs back. Is that an iPhone as well? That looks like an, yeah, I think that's an iPhone. Poor iPhone. My brother's PS4, he said it was overheating. What am I even looking at? Did he No, did he bend the top part, or like took off like the protective plastic or whatever on top, then peeled back the metal covering to let some more air in? Now, I am a person who can feel bad for electronics when they have to undergo stuff like this, but I feel more sorry for us as a society, seeing how we have people who do this as part of ourselves. Okay. What? Oh. I've seen everything. Okay. Let's see how long this battery lasts. It's at 100%. Come on, battery. Come on, you can do this. I mean, it's not gone down by even a single percent so far, which can't be. Oh, there we go. What I think I like the best about a clip is that you can see it go down to like 1%, I think it was, just before it dies. Found this on AliExpress. Okay, what do we have here? We have a USB stick going into a USB 2 audio jack. Eh? And there's a USB port right next to it. What point is there in that? Okay, I can see one, and literally only one possible use for this kind of thing, and that is to have some kind of Bluetooth module for something that does not support Bluetooth, for some kind of like stereo or something that does not support Bluetooth natively, and you could just set it as an aux signal, so you can just play music via Bluetooth. That I can see, but like this is just kind of like a memory stick. So, well done, AliExpress. It is AliExpress, so we kind of should expect disappointment. Found at Make Me Suffer. Oh no. Oh baby, what are you doing? Like, who's texting me right now? I don't care. Oh, it's a go. I should probably respond to that. That doesn't happen often. Okay, let's go back to this. What is the point of this, may I ask? Does he just not have a normal plug? Will my PC work? I hope that's not real. Do not plug that in. It works, guys. And that's the last message he's ever sent. Actually, it's not even a PC, because it looks very weird for a PC. Oh, some people are saying it's not even a PC, it's a PS2. Whatever, it works. Until the cat brushes its tail by. Oh boy. What's this? Unbroken TV. Okay, surprise me. Go on. Fair enough. My hotkey. This has to be fake. There's no way it has to be fake. No, one, keys can't just set themselves alight. And two, who would just take a photo instead of trying to, extinguish it? Though it looks like it's a German keyboard, so maybe that has something to do with it. Sir, you appear to have a deer in your server room. How? How? Just how? Well, next time you can't connect to a server somewhere, you know why. You can just blame the deer. How does one let that happen? How does a deer just get into a server room? Is there any explanation given? Oh, that is painful. That is painful. That is, what did they do to this poor, is that WDS in 750 as well. Yeah, it is. It is an SF750. That is so sad. That is painful to look at. And that's on an X570 board as well. Like, how can you have so much money to spend and yet still do that? Okay, don't answer that question, because there's a lot of very dumb rich people. And I probably should not be throwing stones when it comes to X570, because I have an X570 board myself. I mean, technically, it could still work if none of... because it doesn't look like the PCB, it doesn't look like broken anywhere. Okay, what do we have here? We have some toast. And you send those toasts to the sun for a few seconds. Nice. Okay. This one I can actually relate to. Because whenever I try to overclock my GPU, it literally just makes the whole computer act up. Maybe not this much. It kind of just makes it kind of freeze up and then restart itself, even when just like a tiny overclock. I have no idea why, but I can definitely relate. Also, I love how you can just tell that he's playing Minecraft in the background over there. Look, you can definitely tell. Wait, what? Is this how... is this the full screen? Is this how you is this the video enlarging feature on Reddit? It enlarges it by a pixel. What am I watching? Anyway, what is it? Reddit, please fix your site. What was it saying? Oh yes, you can tell that he's playing Minecraft because look over there. You can tell that's a Minecraft menu, and I am so disappointed in myself that I can tell that, even though the screen's all corrupted. Yeah, I probably spend way too many hours on Minecraft at this point. Secret use for AMD processors. Go on, surprise me. Okay. It's a really old CPU as well. What are you doing? Oh my... I mean, at least he used like some old, like some really old CPU for that. I can't see exactly what it is, but it literally doesn't even have an IHS on it. That's how you can know it's old. Please tell me it's dead. I'm guessing it's dead. And if it's not dead, then all the static from that has probably killed it. Whoa, hey, whoa, you have a little smoke machine there to match when you're playing Doom. That's cool. I can also relate to this one, because if you haven't seen that video, a few weeks ago, I've made a video where I had a graphics card set itself on fire. It was insane. I'm gonna link it up in the iCards. Check it out if you haven't. What even is that? First, I'm so confused by this. I think that's just the catchphrase for this subreddit. I'm so confused. Firstly, what kind of thing is that? Like what? It looks like a graphics card, but that isn't PCI. Oh, I think that's one of those like expansion card things for like Mac products, isn't it? That looks like it. Okay, cool. Number two, is this actually like how much foam paste he applied, or if it's from the factory? Because I don't think those things are like really supposed to be like user serviceable, so I'm guessing it's from the factory. And if that's the case, oh boy. So this one I find interesting for two reasons. Number one, it's interesting to see what the inside of an SD card looks like. And number two, who on earth makes SD cards nowadays that are only 8 gigabytes? And it's like a decent one as well. It has like 10-speed U1 certification, so that's a decent little SD card there. So why is it only 8 gigs? My grandfather didn't trust I wipe his hard drive before selling his old laptop, so he took it into his own hands. No. People destroying hard drives, man, I don't know, it just kind of drives me up the wall. Because I used to I had a summer job working in IT at like an engineering company, and I had to throw away so many good hard drives because, you know, even after wiping them, and that was like a really good wipe as well, like using some like special software and everything, and that was with several run-throughs as well, and we still had to throw it away. I was like, why? I'm always running out of space on my PC, just give me one please. But no, they had like company secrets on them, whatever, so yeah, I had to like throw them away. Just depressing. I mean, I also had to throw away like this really old computer from like the early 90s, I would have assumed. It looked absolutely awesome. It was in dreadful condition. It was absolutely sticky. It was like, I don't know why, I don't know how it got so sticky, but it did. The hard drive itself in that thing was bigger than my head. And yeah, I would have happily restored it, but had to throw it away as well. What on earth is this? What on earth has happened here? What? Okay, so okay. I thought like a PC smashed or something, and this is all the glass on the PC. No, the PC is here. The table, it looks like a glass table, smashed. Oh, that's terrible. That monitor actually looks fine, but there probably is some damage to it. I mean, now that I look at it, it's actually fine. I thought it was way worse at first, but no, like everything looks fine. The keyboard looks fine. Whatever that is looks fine. Whatever this over here is looks fine. The Go XLR, the monitor, the headphones, the mic setup, the PC, everything looks fine. It's just that a unfortunate table decided to shatter. What a shame. Now this is just evil. So someone at a school replaced the keys on the QWERTY keyboard to be alphabetical. But it's still QWERTY, so if you press A, you get Q. That is, I mean, that seems evil, but at this point, who doesn't kind of, at least semi, have QWERTY memorized? Also, speaking of schools, it looks like they have a bit of a spider infestation. Okay, what's this? My RGB is buffering. Okay, that's another one I can relate to, because I have the same problem, because whenever I plug or unplug anything USB from my PC, all the RGB kind of stops for a while. Like, literally, it stops, it does like some weird clicking noise, and then it starts up again. I have no idea why. Wait, let me show you. What on earth is this? Another level of hardware gore. Destroyed Intel D320 CPU in electron microscope. What? That looks insane. It's giant as well. Do you see how long it took to load there? Holy. That is insane. Kind of see where I could like damage it. So I guess there's like a damaged, yeah, this is definitely not by design. You can kind of see where the kind of the layers fell apart here. So there's like a bottom layer, they did purpley stuff, then there's this like, this is so cool. Holy, this is absolutely amazing. This would be an awesome desktop background as well, I think. Well done to whoever posted this. Well done, Piotr Krzemiński. Really well done. Also, do you guys think this looks like a bird? Because to me it kind of looks like a bird. But on that bombshell, I'm gonna leave this video here. But so yeah, just decided to do something a bit different today. Definitely let me know what you think of this. I'm also planning on doing another one like this about r/software gore. That will also be really interesting. So definitely let me know if you want to see more of these kind of videos. Let me know what you thought, or if you want to support the channel monetarily, then definitely check out my Patreon if you really want to see my channel become even better in the future. Even $1 a month goes a long way, and also for my patrons Gavin Burns and LKB, thank you ever so much. Down there you can find our Amazon links, and if you buy anything via them, we get some of the money, you don't pay anything extra, so it's a win-win. Down there's also my Discord if you want to talk to me about this sort of house. If you have any amazing hardware gore stories yourself, share them down there. And that's really it, so I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.